Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can see a closed Facebook group without joining. Log into your Facebook and go to the private group that you want to see without joining. Like you can see on my screen, I have a private group opened up and I have not requested them to let me join. As you can see, this is a private group. The only way I can see what's going on is by joining their group. Over here it is clearly mentioned that only members can see who is in the group and what they can post. So no, there is no way you can see what's going on inside a private group. I hope my video was informative. Comment below and let us know your thoughts and queries on our videos. Give a thumbs up to our videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.